Yay! Ay! Ayan, maganda. Oh, hindi po kami prepared sa pageant meal. Yay! Arrivals! Ito po si Madam Alice. Welcome to Maldives! Nagpatawa mo na siya. Ikaw lang pala ang kailangan. Parang ano lang ito eh. Puerto Galera.
So I'll stay home, write these songs, pretend I'll make it someday. My friends are getting married, they're all settling down. So I lay here, watch the ceiling fan go round and round. And it's always gone too fast.
Magre-retouch pa kami. Simple lang yung room natin, girl.
Pero okay na.
Promise?
Okay lang to. Pero sana okay yung labas. Kasi wala yung chinelas. Nasa paleta ka.
Ay, oo nga, girl. Outfit! Ready po ang aking friend, oh.
Ito sa'yo mas madami ah. Akin ito maliit.
Anong po ba? Chop na din hinuhuli pa. Yan. Oh, bread daw muna.
It's close. It's funny just how easily a family can drift apart. Finally getting married to an angel in human form. But I still think about Nashville. We're staying near the right chord. And it's always gone too fast.
Back in the room. Malakas yung tama ng cocktail of the day. Time check. 5:30. Let's go. Kala ko nakaway siya. Malabo pa.
Never been to California, never been to LA. So I'll stay home and write these songs, pretend I'll make it someday. My friends are getting married, they're all settling down. So I lay here, watch the ceiling fan go round and round. And it's always gone too fast, like a trip to the beach or the life of James Dean. It kills me to think I'm avoiding the pill I can't swallow.
Good morning, Manahili. it's too early. Why am I speaking
Finally
English?
getting married.
Ganda ng hila nila. Oh,
I still
girl.
think about next
Ito na naman po ulit yung main entrance. Para ba? Ayan yung... Natakot na agad-agad. Ito na po ulit yung main entrance. Uy, may ano. Camellia.
to the beach or the life of James Dean, and it kills me to think I'm avoiding the pill I can't swallow.
Free video.
And it comes but it won't last.
Yan, nagandahan. Mga jungle.
Like you watching your life waiting for
Ang daming hayop. Mag ano? Picture. Opo, mamaya babawi kami. Ito ba tayo? Diba? Ay, ito na. O, diba? Sa ulo na namin. Haggard na po. Nandito po kami sa budget meal. Garden Villa. Tadaan! Room 243. Good morning! Lovely! Time check. Gutom na kami. Huwag ka nasag. Huwag ka nasag.
Hindi naman siya basag na.
Kaya nga. Baka may warranty pa, girl.
Wala, parang hindi ko siya bumili na kami. I-ano ko yung seller. Pwede kong message, no?
Pwede ba i-return? Ay, baked beans. Hi, girl. How's the food? Bacon is life. Hello, Ajay. Ajay. Good morning. Yay. Swinging. Kung fu fighting. Swinging by the sea. It's okay, it's okay. Nagsiswimming na sila. Oh girl, ano masasabi mo? It's okay. Nakabook po kami sa private resort. Hindi po kami makapag-tour sa labas. Yun pala yun. Di namin alam.
Walang ano.
Bawal ang outside. Pero okay na din. Di ba, girl?
Oo. Parang hindi naman, parang break lang. Gusto mo mag-break sa syudad.
Syudad. Magsisipid tour na lang kami. We're planning to go to Hard Rock Cafe. Pero, hindi pala pwede. Babalik na lang po si Carol.
Hindi, no?
Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Mahangin po. Bye! Ayo, o nga. Girl. Huwag ganun tayo mamaya. Magpaperap daw sila ng gears.
Talaga ba?
Ah, Hindi ko
Say
kailangan.
so I'll use the same. It's always
Welcome to Mare. Ay, naiwan yung dalawa.
good trip to the
So this is our police station. Police station. And that is Ministry of Defense.
Oh, ang dami din. Eh, pala dito tayo nag-hotel na? Oo. Dami.
seen my twin brother like you missing
Forward Islam. We are 90 years.
Hospital na.
Ay, you want to apply?
finally getting there
Kuruku.
to
Ay.
an angel in human form, but I still think about Nashville.
Just join.
Staying near the record, and it's always gone too fast, like a trip to the beach or the life of James Dean, and it kills me to think I'm avoiding the pill I can't swallow. And it comes, but it won't last. Like you watching your life end for the good.
Island boy.
And what kills me is I've been avoiding the happy ending.
Hindi sila lumipad.
Hindi sila takot sa tao.
Kaya ako nag-video eh. Lalo sa lumipad.
Ah, okay. Ah, this is the first banknote series. Ah, this one's the latest one. Let's exchange. Estrella Moneta. Ah, cute.
Tuna, but this is very fresh tuna. Then some barracuda. So in your hotel, you have seen stingray.
Not yet.
Ola fishing boat.
Ah, fishing boat.
See? Stingray.
Oh, ang dami.
This is stingray.
Grabe siya. Nice. Kinain nila.
So they came every day, come to eat. Or the rubbish from fish market.
Ah, okay.
Ah, that's why they're here.
They're waiting.
Pretty.
Like popcorn, but this
Crispy. Ah, bambu kayo.
easy to take. Take.
Thank you. Okay. Ano, Rebe? Ano, nangangan mo kumain.
This is Maggi.
Ay, thank you.